What is up, YouTube? This is Zach at Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today I have a very exciting product for you from RTJ Audio. This is the 110 in-ceiling, in-wall speaker. And as you can see around me, we offer their full lineup. I mean, this is a serious, real deal, professional level audio company, and we offer their full line nationwide as their authorized dealer. Now, make sure to reach out and utilize our free consultation service, as well as ask about our extensive installer network that we are building out through the entire country. All right, guys, let's get into it right after the intro. All right, guys, we are going to get into the details on this brand new speaker from RTJ Audio. This is the 110 in-ceiling, in-wall speaker, and I'm gonna hand this off to Jeff, the owner, founder, and builder of this built in America. You heard it right, South Carolina, right here where I'm standing. This is a hand-built speaker manufacturer, and Jeff's gonna tell you what makes it so special.
So this is the all-new RTJ 110 in-wall in-ceiling. Features a 10-inch coaxial. It's a two-way speaker with a crossover at 1,000 hertz. Frequency response is 80 hertz to 24,000 hertz. It's a 8-ohm speaker. The back box is 12 inches by 12 inches by 9.75. It features a bolt-on grill. We don't want that grill falling off and hitting anyone in the head. It also features a Baltic birch backer that can go behind the drywall and then securely hold that speaker in place so the speaker stays in nicely. The MSRP on it is $24.99.
All right, guys, that is a wrap on this 110 speaker from RTJ Audio. This is a killer audio brand that we are really thrilled to offer to you guys. If you would like to purchase, make sure to reach out and show your support. We would love the opportunity to earn your business. If you like this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.